So we need to find the rank of this matrix. We have been given a 3 cross 3 matrix. So since nothing is specified that which method we have to use, so we will always prefer that we will find the rank by echelon method, echelon form, by reducing it to echelon form, because that is a bit easy as compared to the other methods. So we'll prefer that. But before applying any transformations, I can take out 2 from the first row, 4 from the second row. Okay, so I'm writing one thing, now my solution is starting, taking out 2 from R1, or we can write this another way, R1 to R1 divided by 2, and R2 to R2 divided by 4. So my matrix will convert to 2, 1 and 2, as I have taken 2 out, then 2, 1 and 2, as I have again taken 2 out, 4 out in the second row, third row remain as it is. Okay, now what I will do is further make this one, because if I make this one, it will be easier to make the other two elements 0. So always preferable to make this one. So for that, again I am taking writing R1 as R1 divided by 2. I would have done this in single step, just taken out 4 from R1. So now you understood, you don't have to do 2 steps, just R1 to R1 divided by 4. But let's do this. So this will be 1, 1.5 and 1, 2, 1 and 2, minus 2, minus 1 and 2. Okay, now I can use operations now, R2 to R2 minus twice R1, and R3 to R3 plus twice R1. So this converts to 1 half 1, this is 0, twice of this is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, twice of this is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now R3 to R3 plus twice R1, so twice of this is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, twice of this is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and then twice of this is 2, 2 plus 2 is your 4. Okay, so we cannot further reduce this, because there is a condition for the echelon form that you can use only row transformation. So any row transformation cannot reduce this matrix further, because if you are thinking of subtracting 4 times R1 from this, so it's fine, this will become 0, but that will also change this and this. So I don't want to do that for this particular matrix, so I end up here. Now you know rank is equals to number of non-zero rows. So here number of non-zero rows equals to 2. So rank of matrix will be 2. Rank is basically number of non-zero rows, which is here 2. So the rank is 2. So easy one. You can merge these two steps, just write R1 to R1 divided by 4, so you don't have to use this separate step. So this was just a 2-step question, but you will get 5 marks, as I have seen in the question paper. So 5 marks for a 2-step question. So easy one, not that difficult as compared to the other problems of rank, but yes, interesting one.